and she literally gives you everything you need on how to apply this look. So I'm gonna break down everything that comes with the kit, who she is, you should follow. Super easy process, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? The struggling adult here. I'm Jessica. I know that I am a successful adult, but I am also struggling, and I love to find a way to save money, but to also look and feel and do the things that I like. So I saw where Aruna, who is the lash shrink, who previously did my individual lash installation or lash extensions pre-pandemic, she came out with a do your bit lash kit, where it's an $80 kit where you get everything you need in order to do your lashes at home. And I was like, oh yeah, let's try that out. So I want to break down to you guys how I save money just by putting forth a little bit of effort by using this kit. Everything comes with it that you need, and it's been pretty awesome. But I just put them on today, and so I'll kind of go through how I got this look. Okay, so I put on a short wig so you can see the lashes a little bit better. This kit from the Lash shrink, she delivered it to me at the gym, and I was trying to find something that wouldn't irritate my eyes, and I know that she has some glue that doesn't cause my eyes to break out. So she gives you this kit. It's called the Do Your Bit Lash Kit. It was upside down. Do Your Bit Lash Kit. And what's inside is beautiful lashes are just a wink away. I don't know how I like this, guys. But so let's kind of into like what's in the kit. So of course I've already used this kit clearly, but I've had it for like 2 weeks and I've been too lazy to use it. So she sends you this thank you card envelope, and within that, peace, love, and lashes. She gives you the instructions on what you need to do, which I was struggling a little bit because I wasn't sure about placement, but good old YouTube and this definitely helped me put the lashes on. And then she just gives you some useful tips, you can see that, on what to do, and then some, you know, just knowing that you're buying from something like a creator. Within the kit, you have 12mm lashes, and then you have the 14mm lashes. She sends you 2 things of lash glue. They don't irritate or anything like that, and the applicator makes it easy to put on. And then she sends you a spoolie or like a brush to brush your lashes, and then the lash little wand handler thing. So I'll just show you guys the glue. Super cute with her logo on there. If you guys can see that. Easy application. You just apply this glue to your lash line, but you'll of course want to figure out how you want your lashes to look. So I placed those out and then said, okay, yeah, let's do it. Item. So this is the spoolie. It actually does kind of help. You can put it like that, and you just make sure that everything blends together. Close it back up, put it in your purse, put it back in your kit, whichever you want to do. And then the applicator, super cute. And so this just helps you to place the lashes and then also seal the lashes to make sure that they are on like they should be. And then of course you can put it back in your kit too. She also comes with things for removing your lashes. It gives you a little kit, like it gives you the alcohol, another little spoolie to brush your lashes, and then something to place your lashes in to soak when you take them off so that you can clean them. And I think you get about 20 wears with this. I'm not exact, I can't remember, I have to ask her. And then of course she also sent a thank you letter that she wrote as well. Super cute. I don't love it because I sell it. I sell it because I love it. She swears by her products and she's good. And then lastly, she also gives you a pamphlet on her, or a triplet on her services and where she's located and all that kind of stuff, so you can get more information. There's a Runa on what she offers and all of that. So all in all, it's a super easy kit to put on. If I can do it, anybody can do it. If you're looking to save money and time and effort, well, let me rephrase that. If you're looking to save money, this is a great kit to do your lashes. It took me maybe 10 minutes to put them on. Once I got the hang of it, it was super easy. So if I can do it, again, then anybody can do it, because I'm lazy. Well, not lazy, but I was dreading putting these on because I thought it was going to be a lot harder than what it was. But you literally just use the little tool. You put the glue underneath, pick out the line. So I have 12 millimeter on the end, and then I have 3 14 millimeters here, and they all kind of overlap. And then I have 2 12 millimeters here. You can also split them in half if if they're too long, so you can make sure that you make it fit towards your face. If you want to do all 14 millimeters, you can, or all 12, whichever look you really want to go for. But this is what I tried out. So again, that's my lashes. Thanks, Aruna. Find her on Instagram, guys. The Lash Shrink. She's located here in Lake Bluff, Illinois. Do you see me winking?